Hi guys, I will be guiding you through the process of installing Jellyfin on a Samsung Smart TV. First, let's activate developer mode on your Samsung TV. Navigate to the app section on your TV. With the apps menu open, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your remote control. When the developer mode pop-up appears, enable developer mode. Enter your PC's IP address and restart your TV. Make sure both your computer and TV are connected to the same network. Next, you need to find your TV's IP address. On your TV, go into Settings, select Network, then go to Network Status and make a note of your TV's IP address. The third step involves downloading the Jellyfin Tizen build. Head over to the Jellyfin Tizen GitHub releases page and download the most recent Jellyfin WGT build. Now let's proceed with the installation using Docker, which is the easier method. Run this command. Make sure to replace TV IP with the actual IP address of your TV. If necessary, you can also include additional arguments as specified in the GitHub guide, particularly for custom builds or SSL certificates. As an alternative, you can install Tizen Studio on your computer. Make sure developer mode is turned on. Use Tizen Studio's Smart Development Bridge SDB to sideload the Jellyfin.wgt app onto your TV and set up the required certificates for Tizen app deployment. Once the installation is complete, the Jellyfin app will appear in your TV's app menu. Launch the app and connect it to your Jellyfin server as usual. And that's it. You are all set up.